Eat chia seeds every day and this will happen. Hey everyone, and welcome to Healthline Champions. If you're new here, you are welcome, and on this channel we explore simple ways to boost your health and wellness. Today I want to tell you about an incredible superfood that you need to add to your diet ASAP. Chia seeds. Now I know what you're thinking. Chia seeds? Aren't those the things that little animals like to drink from? Well, yes, but chia seeds are actually one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. Packed with fiber, protein, omega-3s, calcium, and antioxidants, chia seeds have some amazing benefits for your health. For starters, just 1 ounce of chia seeds contains 11 grams of fiber. That's almost half of your daily recommended fiber intake. Fiber is so important for keeping you regular, maintaining healthy cholesterol levels, and keeping you full for longer. It also feeds the good bacteria in your gut. The high fiber content of chia seeds is what gives them their ability to absorb liquid and form a gel. This gel-like substance lining your digestive tract is what slows down digestion and the absorption of glucose into your bloodstream. This makes chia seeds perfect for blood sugar stabilization. They also keep insulin levels steady, which is great for managing hunger and cravings. Speaking of managing hunger, chia seeds are incredibly filling for their tiny size. Just 1 ounce of chia seeds can absorb up to 12 times its weight in water, expanding in your stomach to make you feel fuller for longer. This makes them perfect for weight management or maintaining weight loss. And let's not forget those powerful omega-3s. Chia seeds are one of the best plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, containing more per ounce than salmon. Omega-3s are well known for supporting heart and brain health as well as reducing inflammation throughout the body. So in summary, eating just 1 ounce of chia seeds daily can help you feel fuller for longer, stabilize blood sugar, support heart health, boost fiber intake, and so much more. Simply sprinkle them onto yogurt, oatmeal, smoothies, you name it. Chia seeds have virtually no taste, so they're easy to add to any meal or snack. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the Healthline Champions YouTube channel. We're putting out new health videos every day, so be sure to click that notification bell too. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.